my channel, Inspired Birdie. So for this week, we're gonna start our autumn plan with me. So I have some fun autumn themes that are gonna be coming out in the next 3 weeks. I hope you guys enjoy them. Autumn is one of my absolute favorite seasons. That also would compare probably equally to Christmas. I do love Christmas. Leave me a comment below and let me know what is your favorite season. So I have this fun autumn theme. I wanted to do a Disney autumn theme, and I just thought these pictures were really super cute. I do have a ton of other fall themes as well from last year that I did. I'm gonna link those below if you are looking for a different type of theme that you wanna use. So here are the different images that I printed off of Google Images. Most of them are from Google Images this time, not so much from Pinterest, but I just thought they were super cute. I also have these stickers. Now these are from Michaels. I got them when they were on sale because they originally go for $3.50, but I did get them part of their sale when they had stickers by Recollections on sale. And it's part of the Halloween, which is funny because these are fall. So I thought I would use some of those as well. And then I have this really pretty washi that I got from AliExpress. Sorry for the glare. Just fall leaves. And I do have this Disney washi, but I don't know if I'm going to use it. It definitely doesn't really match with the pink, but it's the only Disney washi that I had, so I may or may not use it. This is from the dollar store. Yeah, and that's pretty much it, guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this week's plan with me. And if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. It is free, and you can join me every Sunday for a new plan with me. All right, guys, let's get started.